Hi, welcome to Vola. In the last video, we introduced the true 24-hour standby feature of the PR12, which provides a flexible but efficient solution for any critical communication system that required PSTN in the past. We all know that the importance of the power redundancy in the post replacement. There are already similar products on the market offering the battery backup solution, such as those interruptible power suppliers or the large lithium iron battery pack, alongside alternatives employing the common AA batteries or compact battery packs. However, those solutions either prove difficult to install, battery life is too short, or prove safety concern with the multiple batteries. The PR12, however, brings a masterful balance between these three factors. It provides an easier to install and maintain solution that is relatively safety and reliable, with extended standby time. The size of the PR12 is about your hands, and its well-designed metal casing enables deployment in any narrow or harsh environment. There is only one small 18650 battery inside. The chip for the managing a single-cell battery has reached a high level of maturity, and the single-cell design enables the device to operating more reliable under the high-temperature condition. Anyone can easily replace the battery in PR12. Simply unscrew a few screws and fix a new one, which you can easily obtain anywhere. You may wonder why one 18650 battery cell, how to achieve the 24-hour standby time. PR12 has been implemented with a low power design. When operating on battery, the system will enter sleeping mode. Even in the sleeping mode, you can still pick up the phone and make a call anytime, ensuring any critical calls from the alarm panel or the lift emergency telephone can call out. Meanwhile, PR12 will report its status or issue alarm to the VolaCloud regularly. You can monitor the remaining battery level or other critical information at any given moment. I hope this video proved helpful to you. If you are interested in PR12, please feel free to contact us.